Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use breakout rooms on Zoom. Here's how to use breakout rooms on the Zoom web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch the Zoom web app, which of course I have done right here. From the home page, you're going to see a couple of a couple of icons in the main center of the screen and also at the top corner of the screen. From the main center, go ahead and click on New Meeting to start a new meeting where you want to use breakout rooms. Let's wait for a couple of seconds for the Zoom controls to come up. So this meeting is still connecting. Of course, alternatively, you can schedule a meeting with breakout rooms enabled in advance. But let's say we want to start and I don't want to enable audio. So if this is your first time using breakout rooms, okay, I need to disable my video as well. If this is the first time using breakout rooms, you need to enable the feature. How can you enable the feature? Now click on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and select settings from the drop down menu. In the settings page, navigate to the in meeting option. All right, so from the general, scroll down and click on view more settings. Now once you click on view more settings, a new window is going to open from your browser, and this is what the new window looks like. So from here at the left corner, you're going to find the in meeting basic. So select in meeting basic to see that option. All right. Now from the in-meeting basic, go ahead and click on in-meeting advanced. So on the in-meeting advanced section, the left-hand menu, you're going to see the option that says breakout room. So this is breakout room meetings, allow hosts to split meeting participants into separate smaller rooms. So under this, check the box that says allow host to assign. So this is allow host to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling. Check this box. And if you do that, that's if you want to pre-assign participants in scheduled meetings. So you can also check this box for allow hosts to view activity states of participants in breakout rooms. And you can set default breakout room behaviors if you want to. Now, once you're done with this, hit on save. In the breakout rooms window, you will see options to determine how many breakout rooms you want to create and how participants should be assigned. All right, so you can just choose between automatically, that's Zoom randomly assign participant, or manually, meaning you assign participant yourself. So now let us head over to Zoom. I'm going to go back on this, and I'm here. Now you have breakout rooms. So in your meeting, go and click on your meeting in a Zoom meeting. Okay. Okay, return to meeting. And you're here, so click on more and click on breakout rooms. So in this breakout room window, which I explained, this is where you can now select if you want to, of course, assign automatically or assign manually. And if you select assign manually and you click on create, you're going to see a list of participants which will appear. Now I do not have anybody on this meeting or on this conference call, but if you do, you're going to see all the participants. So use the assign button that is next to each name to place participants into specific breakout rooms. All right, and once all participants are assigned to breakout rooms, click on Open All Rooms. Now, once you click on Open All Rooms, participants will receive an invitation to their assigned rooms. As the host, you can join any breakout room by clicking Join next to the room name in the Breakout Rooms window. You can also broadcast messages to all breakout rooms by selecting Broadcast a Message to All, which lets you send announcements or time warnings. And when you're ready to end the breakout section, click Close All Rooms in the Breakout Rooms window. Participants will see a countdown and be automatically returned to the main meeting room once the time expires. Of course, if you need to use breakout rooms again during the same meeting, click breakout rooms and follow the same steps to reopen or create new rooms. Only the meeting host or co-host can manage breakout rooms. Make sure participants are aware of the breakout room feature to avoid confusion when joining or returning to the main session. These steps allow you to effectively set up and manage breakout rooms on the Zoom web app. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.